Yes, students, today we are going to discuss long division method of dividing a polynomial by a monomial. But before solution, we have to check that given dividend is it in standard form or not. If it is not in standard form, then we have to set it. So you can see that 6x cube minus 8x raised to power 4 plus 16x square minus 12x plus 4. It is not in standard form. So first step is to keep it in standard form. So we do. So we have set the data in standard form. You can see that minus at 8x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 12x plus 4 to be divided by 2x square. So we have set this in standard form of long division. Now for division of polynomials, we have to do each step carefully. So listen to my words carefully. For division, I will take first term of dividend and first term of divisor. So here my divisor is a monomial. So 2x square is its term. I will divide both of them. So see, this is our first step. Taking first term, that is minus 8x raised to power 4 over 2x square. Do its cutting. Minus 4, and for these variables x raised to power 4 and x square, solution it is x square. So this is my first term of my quotient. Either we can write here or we can write here the quotients. Now this minus 4x square, when I multiply with 2x square, it will become minus 8x raised to power 4. Now we have to subtract this. For subtraction, we will change sign. Generally, when we subtract in normal division, we simply minus. But here, in case of polynomials, whatever sign is there, for subtraction, we will change the sign. If it is a negative, we will encircle. For subtraction, new sign will be plus. As I want to share, like if I want to subtract 2x, I'm taking an example, minus 2x. So this minus on it will this. So whatever sign is there, we will take opposite of that. So same is done here. Now like terms cancel. Now next terms plus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 12x plus 4. The remaining part of dividend is written. Now in the next step, in the second step, I will again take first term of this dividend to be divided by this divisor, 2x square. So I will do second step. Six x cube over 2x square. And on cutting, I get 3. And for the variables x cube over x square, I get x. So this is my second term of my quotient. No sign is there, so assume plus sign, plus 3x. Now 3x into 2, this comes to be 6x cube plus, now for subtraction again change the sign. This become minus and signs are opposites of like terms cancelled. Now we will write 16x square minus 12x plus 4. So we will repeat this step again. Now this time my dividend's first term is 16x square to be divided by 2x square. So now I am taking my third step. 16x square over 2x square. 16 by 2 cutting, we get 8 x square cancel. So 8 is there. I will write here plus 8. Now 8 multiplied 2x square is 16x square. So this is positive sign, changing the sign and cutting. The leftover dividend is minus 12x plus 4. Now see there, this is minus 12x plus 4. Now here degree of variable is 1 and for my divisor degree is 2. So whenever we are having degree of dividend smaller as compared to that of degree of divisor, the division process will be stopped. It will not proceed. For a number to be divided, the necessary condition is degree of dividend should be greater than or equal to that of degree of divisor. In the previous you can see that it was x square, so we did division. But here degree is 1, so we cannot continue the division process, so it will be terminated here. So my quotient is minus 4x square plus 3x plus 8 and my remainder is minus 12x plus 4. Okay, so please do these sums carefully. We have discussed long division method for division of polynomial by a monomial, and these steps that are showing in rough work, this is a part of rough work, you have to mention so that your cutting, your all rough work should be shown and the checker could get the clarity about this. Okay, thank you.